Hello everyone, I'm Camille. In previous tutorials, we've already learned many interesting text effects. Today, I'll show you how to quickly create these two stencil text effects. The method is very simple. Just follow the tutorial step by step, and you can easily complete them. If you're interested, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can download it for free from the link in the description. Click here to create a new text track. Then delete all the text in here. Next, click here to save a black screenshot. Then return to VideoProc Vlogger. Click here to modify the background color of the video and choose white. Then we click here again to save a screenshot. We import these two images into VideoProc Vlogger. Now change the video background back to black. Then we put a white image on the main track. Put a black material on the overlay track. And adjust its shape and position to your liking. Then, in the text layer, enter the text you want to display. Modify the font size, shadow, position, and other information to your satisfaction. It is recommended not to use a shadow here. After completion, hide the white material on the main track. Click here to save a screenshot of the text. Then import the screenshots into VideoProc Vlogger. After that, delete the text track and redisplay the main track. Next, we need to roughly remember this range. Reduce the height of this black material to 1/4 of its original height. Click here to save a screenshot. Then import the screenshot into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete this black material. Then put these screenshots on the overlay track. In the inspector panel, select Fit to Height. Then click Motion. Add a keyframe at the beginning position. Adjust the display area a bit. Then add another keyframe at the 2-second position. Here, select Smooth Speed Down number 1. Return to the first keyframe and move the display area to the left, off screen. Click Apply. In the inspector panel, find Blend Mode and select Multiply. Now, the animation of the first black bar is done. We copy this material. Then click here to create 4 new overlay tracks. Put a copied material on the newly created overlay track. Click Motion and select the first keyframe. Move the display area to the right, off screen. Click Apply. Then click here to adjust the position of the material. Move it up a little bit. Then we copy these two materials again to the overlay tracks below, and don't forget to adjust their positions as well. After completion, we get this animation. If you want to stagger their movement, you can adjust the start time of the materials. Next, we put a text screenshot on the overlay track below. In the inspector panel, select Fit to the Screen by Height. Then scroll down to find the Blend Mode section and select Lighten. If you want a better effect, you can find Denoise in Effects. Put it on the Effect track. Slightly adjust the parameters. Let's play it and see the effect. Not bad. After completion, adjust the duration of each material. And then export this video as a template for later use. Next, put a background video on the main track. Then put a finished template on the overlay track. In the inspector panel, select Fit to the Screen by Height. Then select Multiply in the blend mode. Let's play it and see the effect. Looks good. If you want a white effect, select Lighten in the blend mode. And let's play and see. It looks pretty nice. Isn't it super simple? Try it yourself quickly. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. If you want to learn more simple and interesting effects, you can check out our homepage and the playlist. If you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!